Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Code for Tech Solutions. Today in this video we are going to see how to install MariaDB on Windows operating system, and the Windows version we are going to use, it's a Windows 11 on which we are going to install MariaDB database. So before we start with the setup, so let me tell you what is the MariaDB database in just few words. MariaDB is a popular open source relational database management system which is developed by MySQL original development team, and it is a secure, high performance and reliable, which is an alternative to MySQL with significant improvement in both performance and security. MariaDB is used by many companies like Wikipedia, WordPress, and Google. So this is about the short introduction of MariaDB database. Now let us start with our installation part. So this is the once you click on the MariaDB download. So once you type MariaDB download, and you can click on the first link which appears like this is the download MariaDB server. Once you click on this link, you can see here. So download MariaDB server page will appear, and if you scroll down here, you can see this tab MariaDB server, and it has MariaDB server versions. Like you can choose the version which you want to be installed. Here these are the latest versions, and we can select the stable version which is MariaDB server 11.4.3, or you can choose any version which you want. Right now we are using this stable 11.4.3. So we have selected this version, and here you can choose the operating system on which we want to install it. So right now we are targeting on Windows, and architecture you can select, and here you can select the package type. So right now we are selecting MSI package. If you want, you can go for zip. So this is the MSI package we can select. So once we cross check all these options, you can click on download button. So it will start downloading in the MariaDB server. So you can see the download has been started. So I have already downloaded this MariaDB. So let me use that. So it has version of 76, close to 76 MB size. It's a So let us install this. Once you complete the download, it will the folder will appear like this one. So you can simply right click on this one, and you can click on next button, accept the terms in license agreement, and these are the options or packages which we are going to install. So if you don't want any package, so you can click it here, and this cross button you can see entire feature will be unavailable. So if you don't want this feature to be installed, then you can simply click that and choose this option. Okay, right now we are going to install all this. So this is about MariaDB server, and this is the development component, and here third party tool which is a Hades SQL. So Hades SQL is a free open source graphical user interface for managing database systems. It allows users to browse and edit data, create and edit tables and views, procedures and triggers. So this is about the healthy SQL, which is a graphical user interface through which we are going to create database and tables. So here you can browse this if you want to change. This is the default location on which MariaDB will get installed. If you want to change the folder path, you can browse and select, give the new folder path. So once this is done, you can click on next button. Here you need to provide a password for the root user, and same password you need to confirm, and you can select this enable access for remote machines for root user, and this is the data directory. If you want to change, you can click on browse and select the other folder. Right now we are keeping as is, and we can simply click on next button, and this is the service name like MariaDB, and this is the TCP port this service is using. This is the buffer pool size, and this is the page size. You can change this page size like 4, 8, 16, whatever. So we can keep 16 as is, and we can simply click on next button. So now it is saying TCP port you selected is already in use. Why? Because I have installed MySQL which is using this 3306 as a port, so I need to change it. So let me take 3308 as a new port, and I can click on next and click on install button. Yes, we can see we have completed with the setup for MariaDB, and its version is 11.4. Can click on finish. Now let us go to the search and type MariaDB. So we can use Heidi SQL, and here you can open this, and here you can click on new button, or here can click on new, and here you can provide select this MariaDB, and here you can provide the password which you have set, and the port name which you are using. In my case I am using 3308. In your case you can use 3306 as is, and we can simply click on open button. So we can see it is created with unnamed. Now here if we want to create a new database, we can simply right click and choose the option create new database, and here we can give our database name. Let's say it's an employee, let's say employee DB, we can say okay. You can see this database is created. Now here we can right click and choose the create new table option, and here we can give our table name, like let's say it's an employee, and we can add the column first as an, let's say it's a employee ID, which data type is int. Next column we can add as a name, and data type we can give as an varchar, and next we can add, let's say department, and same varchar we can use, and we can simply click on save button, and we can see the table is created. Now if we want to query this, you can say select star from, or right click. So right now here we can say select star from employee. We can choose inside query, we can select and click on this is the query execution. You can see, you can click it here, so it is showing all the columns as such. So right now we have not inserted any data, that's why it is showing no records as such. So this is about how to install the MariaDB and create a database using SQL interface, and creating the table under the database. All these things we have covered. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe the same.